Hello everyone, welcome to the Bug Expert channel. In this video, we will talk about suggestions to fix the Call of Duty Warzone 2.0 error code issue. The exact cause of this error is not specified. We can reach the solution of the problem by performing the basic suggestions to fix this error. Before we show you solutions, we will briefly talk about the forum. You can forward various errors you encounter to the community on the forum portal we have opened. For this, if your problem continues or if you encounter a different problem, you can get a quick response by sharing it on the forum portal. We care about your questions and suggestions. Some users state that after running the game as an administrator, they did not encounter such an error again. We can find a solution to the problem by following this suggestion. For this, let's access the Warzone 2.0 game folder. Right-click on the cod.exe file in the folder and access the Properties menu. Then click on the Compatibility option and enable the Run this program as an administrator option and click the Apply button. After performing this operation, access the file location where the Steam application is installed. Then right-click on the Steam.exe application to open the Properties menu. Click on the Compatibility option on the screen that opens and enable the Run this program as an administrator option and click the Apply button. After this process, close the Steam application completely and run it again and check if the problem persists. We can eliminate the problem by disabling the in-game overlay, which causes games to run in a general sense. If you have an NVIDIA video card, run the GeForce Experience application and access the Settings menu. Disable the in-game overlay option in the Settings menu and check if the issue persists. If you are running the game on Steam, access the Library menu, right-click on the Warzone 2.0 game and open the Properties menu. Disable the Enable the Steam overlay while in-game option on the screen that opens and check if the problem persists. Warzone 2.0 and the compatibility mode enabled in the Steam application can cause us to encounter various errors like this. For this we may need to check the compatibility mode. For this, let's first access the Warzone 2.0 game folder. Right-click on the cod.exe file in the folder and access the Properties menu. Then click on the Compatibility option and if the Run this program in compatibility mode 4 option is enabled, disable it and click the Apply button. After this process is done, let's make the same setting in the Steam application. After completing the processes, you can check if the problem persists by closing the Steam application completely. Damage or corruption in the registry file of the Warzone 2.0 game may cause us to encounter various problems like this. For this, we can eliminate the problem by deleting the save file of the Warzone 2.0 game. To do this, type Run in the Start search screen and open it. On the screen that opens, type the file location I showed in the video and press Enter. After this process, delete the Call of Duty folder and check if the problem persists. If your problem persists, search for it by typing the file path I showed in the video on the Start search screen in the same way. Delete the Activision folder in the opened folder and check if the problem persists. If your problem persists, you can check if the problem persists by downloading the game via the Battle.net application. For this, install the Battle.net application on your computer and try to run the game over Battle.net by installing the Warzone 2.0 game on your computer. Damage to the game file can cause you to encounter various errors like this. For this, we can eliminate the problem by verifying the game files. If you are playing the game on Steam, run the Steam application and access the Library menu. Right-click on the Warzone 2.0 game and access the Properties menu. Verify the game file integrity by clicking the Local Files option in the new window that opens. After the verification process is complete, you can check if the issue still persists. If you are running the game through the Battle.net application, open the Battle.net application, select the game and verify the game file by clicking the gear next to the Play button. After this procedure, you can check if the problem still persists. Disable any antivirus program you are using or delete it completely from your computer. If you are using Windows Defender, disable it. For this, let's write virus and threat protection on the Start search screen and open it. Click on the Manage Settings option on the screen that opens and scroll down the menu and click on the Managed Controlled Folder Access option. After this process, let's disable the Controlled Folder Access option and come back. Let's turn off the real-time protection that comes up and go down again and click on the Add or Remove Exclusions option. Click the Add an Exclusion option on the screen that opens, select the folder and select the folders where Steam, Battle.net and Warzone 2.0 are installed and save. After the save process is complete, you can run the game and check if the problem persists. If your problem persists after this process, check if your graphics card driver is up to date by downloading the appropriate graphics card driver found in the article. Users state that they fixed the problem by editing the registry setting. We can find a solution to the problem by following this suggestion. For this, type regedit in the Start search screen and open it. Paste the file path in the article in the box at the top of the screen. Press Enter and open. Double-click on the machine GID record on the screen that opens and paste the code in the article and save it. After this procedure, you can check if the problem still persists. Yes, in this video we have provided information on how to fix the Call of Duty Warzone 2.0 error code issue. If you are encountering various errors, you can reach the community with your questions by accessing the forum portal we have opened. By supporting us, we can expand our community. Thank you.